We're just gonna get coffee. Sorry.
Think I might be over my troubles since you came around. Something struck me. Oh, lately I've been caught up in my mind. Oh, it's not hard to see why I was feeling down. You saw right through it all. Oh, I could not fake it, no matter how I tried. Ooh, you cured my aching heart. When you came around, saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my troubles. Yeah, they've been there for so long now. Ooh, 'cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Ooh, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow. When you hear me calling, oh, it's you and me. Ooh, yeah, 'cause I cannot fake it, no matter how I feel. Yeah.
Please get. Guys, we've been to Seoul 2 times already, and this is the only time we're discovering this area. It's so freaking nice. I was window watching the whole time. It was such a nice bus ride.
'Cause you heal my aching heart when you come around. I saw a million signs. I must be over it by now. There's a reason why. Oh, I think I might be over my troubles. They've been there for so long now. It's over. 'Cause suddenly I think of tomorrow. Yeah, since you came around. Yeah, ooh, I feel like the only one who found out the reason why. Oh, I was just lonely, but since you came around, all I see is tomorrow.
Morning guys, we're back in Seoul, and we're going back to our favorite cafe we went to the last time.
Born over